Hey everyone, it's Dr. Andrew. Today we're going to do a whole body stretch routine. This stretch routine can be done on the floor in your living room or it can be done in your bed. And anybody can do it in all ages and all activity levels. And the only thing we're going to use today is a belt. So we're going to start off with a gentle hamstring stretch, and we're going to do that laying down on our backs. So if you're at home, you can do this in your bed. That'll probably be the safest way to do it, or you can do it on your floor. So with the belt, we're just going to make a loop like this, okay, and then put it around our foot. Now we're going to all do this together, okay? We're going to do this for 20 seconds. You're going to lay on your back and just pull your leg up as far as you can. And we're going to hold it here for 20 seconds. Now with this stretch, we're stretching the hamstrings, and you'll probably feel it in the calf as well. And this stretch is very important to limit low back pain, to get rid of knee pain. It's very important to have flexible hamstrings. All right, now we're going to relax. And we're going to relax just for a few seconds, and then we'll do that stretch again. Okay, pull your leg up and really pull. If you want to, you can bend the knee a little bit, and then you can pull a little farther. And that way you'll feel the stretch more in the muscle. Because if we leave our knee straight, you'll feel it more in the back of the knee. So holding that for about 20 seconds. And go ahead and relax. Okay, so now let's sit up and switch the belt over to the other foot. We're just putting it right here around the foot. Lay back down and bring that leg up. Pull with the belt. I'm going to bend my knee a little bit so I can feel it more in the hamstring. Really pull. Try to pull as much as you can. I want it to burn. Your leg might be shaking a little bit, and that's okay. Feel that stretch deep in the hamstring. All right, now we're going to relax. Relax for a few seconds. And then let's go again. One more time on this side. Good hamstring stretch. These are muscles that are very important to keep flexible. Pull, pull, pull. Feel that stretch. Push that knee forward. Push that knee straight if you want to feel it even more. A couple more seconds. And relax. Okay, there we go. All right, so now we're not going to use the belt for just a second. Now we're going to do a stretch for our hips. So bring the knee up like this. You're going to put your hands on top of your knee, and then I want you to pull to the opposite hip. So you're pushing your knee down to your opposite hip, okay? And then with this stretch, you should be feeling it in your glute muscles, right where the bottom is. Okay, if you feel a pinching in your hip, then you can pull the leg up higher, or you can push the leg down lower like this and keep pulling that knee towards the opposite hip. Again, we're going to do this for about 20 seconds. And you can relax. You can put that foot on the ground just like this. Relax for a little bit. And let's do it again. Push that knee to the opposite hip. You're going to feel a stretch in that hip, okay, in the glute, in the buttock region. We're holding that stretch for 20 seconds. And then relax. Okay, we're going to put this leg straight, and now we're going to lift up the other leg. Grab your knee with your hands, and then just pull that knee over to the opposite hip, just like this. Okay, and now you're feeling a stretch right here through this bottom region. Holding it for 20 seconds. This stretch is really important to stretch the glutes, stretch the hip external rotators like the piriformis. Okay, this is good for sciatica. This is going to be good for hip pain. This is going to be even good for knee pain. All right, go ahead and relax. You can bring the leg down if you want to. All right, bring it back up, and then push it to the other side of the body. Pull that knee down, feel that stretch in that hip. Okay, we're gonna do that for about 20 seconds. Breathe normally. And relax. Okay, let's sit up again. We're gonna get our belt again with that loop. And we're gonna put it back around. Let's do this side first. So we're gonna put it back around our foot again. And now you're gonna lay on the side that is opposite the leg that has the belt on it. Okay, so the belt is on my right leg and I'm laying on my left side. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna pull the belt up over my shoulder like this. Okay, and just pull, basically you're pulling your heel towards your bottom. So let's hold this for 20 seconds. This is a quad stretch, quad and hip flexor stretch. This stretch is very important if you have knee pain, even back pain. Honestly, any kind of pain from your hips down, this is gonna help. These stretches are so good to keep you mobile, keep you flexible, and to try to avoid pain. So doing that for 20 seconds. And then you can straighten your leg out just like this. You can roll onto your back if you want to. Relax. All right, let's do it again. Roll onto your side. Pull that heel up towards your bottom with the belt and relax. And just let that stretch right in here in the quad. We're gonna hold that for 20 seconds. You should be feeling a good pull in the front of the thigh. You might feel something up here in the front of the hip. And relax. Okay, let's sit up and we're gonna switch feet. Okay, so now the belt is on the left foot and we're gonna lay on our right side. And again, we're gonna pull the belt up here like this, over the shoulder, and just let that quad, that thigh right here in the front, feel a good stretch and a good pull. 20 more seconds, and then we'll relax. If you're doing this at home, you can have a pillow for your head. I don't have one. I need one though. Okay, let's relax. Relax for a second. You can straighten that knee out a little bit, contract those quad muscles. That feels pretty good. All right, and now let's bring it back again. Okay, we're pulling the belt over the shoulder. The heel is coming up towards your bottom. Okay, try to touch your bottom with your heel if you can. Just relax. Feel that good stretch, 20 seconds. And then after 20 seconds, we'll relax and then we'll stand up. Okay, there we go. Let's relax. We'll take the belt off of our foot. We're gonna use the belt for another stretch in just a second, okay? So I'm gonna keep that right here. But right now, let's finish the lower body with a good calf stretch. So we're gonna do this in standing. So if you're on your bed, go ahead and stand on the floor. Find a wall. And we're gonna stretch this left calf, okay? So I'm gonna put my hands on the wall and leave this left foot behind me and push that heel towards the ground. So with the heel on the ground, I'm gonna lean into the wall just like this and hold this position again for 20 seconds. The calves are muscles that cross two joints. They cross your knee and they cross your ankle. So if you're having ankle pain, if you're having knee pain, sometimes tightness in the calves can make your pain worse. So we got to make sure that we are stretching those muscles. Okay, relax. This is one of my favorite stretches. The calves hold a lot of tension. So if we can stretch those out, it's going to feel really good. All right, let's do that again. Again, left side, heel on the floor. hands on the wall, and just lean into the wall like this. We're going to hold this for 20 seconds. Push that heel down and keep your knee straight. Push the back of your knee as straight as you can go to feel that stretch even more. Okay, let's relax. That was a good one. All right, so now we're going to do the opposite side, okay? Again, keep your heel down, push that knee straight. Hands on the wall, heel is on the ground. Push that knee as straight as you can go and lean forward. Make sure that heel stays down. That's the most important part. 20 seconds. All right, and relax. I love it in PT with my patients. I tell them, hold this for 20 seconds, and they literally go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20. Okay, let's not do that. Let's actually hold it for 20 seconds. Okay, heel down, knee straight, lean into it. Breathe, nice and easy. Push that knee straight, heel on the floor. Weights in your hands, you're leaning into the wall. Do this on a nice solid wall so you don't break anything. Hold that stretch. The harder you push yourself, the better the stretch will be and the more flexible you'll become. And relax. Okay, so that's it for the lower body stretches. Now let's focus on the upper body. So before we start into the stretches, let's do a little bit of a warm-up, okay? So these are just called open books. We're going to put our hands together out front like this, and then 10 times with this right hand, we're going to open as wide as we can, and then close. Let's do this 10 times. 4, and we're twisting at the shoulders and at the trunk. And try not to twist your hips too much, and your head is going to go with your hand, okay? I think we got 2 more. 9, and then 10. All right, now let's do this left side. 1, 2, 3. Keep your body tight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. Okay, there we go. You might feel it up here in the traps a little bit from holding your arms for so long. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is just a cross arm, or you're going to cross your arm over your body, okay, and you're going to pull with the opposite hand. So I want you to grab your elbow, okay, just like this, and support your arm with your forearm, okay? And this is the arm we're stretching. And then pull your arm across your body, just like this. Don't turn your body, okay? Pull like this, and we're gonna hold that for 20 seconds. This is a great stretch for your shoulder, okay? You're gonna feel it in the deltoid, which is this muscle right here in the shoulder. And you're gonna feel it in your back as well, okay? So again, we're holding this for 20 seconds. Breathe easily. Don't hold your breath when you stretch. Okay, there we go. Let's do the other side too, okay? So again, this arm on top, this arm underneath. Grab the elbow. Let this forearm rest on top of this forearm, and then just pull your shoulder across your body, okay? Pull your shoulder. Get a good pull. We'll do this for 20 seconds. A lot of people forget to stretch their shoulders, but it's very important. Your shoulders have so much mobility, okay? And when you have a lot of mobility, then that means you have a risk of injury. So to keeping them loose, stretching out tendons and ligaments and muscles is going to help you have healthy shoulders. 20 seconds and change. All right. Okay, let's do that again. On this side, pull. You can even put your elbow in your other elbow and then have this hand on top of your shoulder like this if you want to. If you want to really pull harder. Pull, pull, pull. Get a really good stretch. So right now, my right arm, this arm right here, is completely relaxed. Okay, my hand is relaxed. I'm not tensing up. It's very important that when you are stretching that you don't get all tense. Okay, that's another issue I have with some of my patients is when we stretch, it honestly sometimes makes them even more tense. So try to relax. Try to just let your body breathe. And don't tense up the muscles that you're trying to stretch. Okay, all right, now let's do this side. Again, you can put your elbow in the crook of this elbow right here. Grab your shoulder and just pull across. We'll hold that for 20 seconds. Breathe. Relax. Just feel a good pull. Try not to twist your body too much. And we'll relax. Okay, we have one more stretch. This is a really good one for the pec muscles and then also for your shoulders as well. And you're going to feel this in your back as well. Okay, so again, let's grab the belt. You're going to hold the ends, hold the ends of the belt like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring that belt, you're going to pull the belt apart, bring it over your head like this. And then from here, from this position, push your arms backwards as far as you can go. Okay, just like this. Backwards like this. Okay, push your chest forward. Try not to arch your low back too much. Okay, just push those chest forwards and your hands backwards. Hold this 20 seconds, okay? Wow, this is a great stretch for your chest, for your shoulders. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, bring the belt back up over your head and then back down to your waist, okay? Whew, that's a good one, okay? We're gonna do that one more time. I'm gonna explain it again, how we're gonna do it, okay? So remember, we're gonna start grabbing the belts at the ends, pull the belt apart, okay? Pull it tight, bring your hands up over your head, keep your elbows bent, and now from here, pull the belt apart and push your arms backwards, okay? We're pushing them back, back, back like this. Oh man, good stretch in the chest. Relax. Try to relax your body as you're doing this. I know it's hard to do, but this is a great stretch for your chest, for your shoulders. 20 seconds. Okay, bring that down. Whew, and then relax. Okay. All right. So if you can do this routine every day, then you are going to become more flexible. You're going to feel better. Your muscles are going to be as tight. If you're having pains and aches, those are going to go away. So please do this every day if you can. And yeah, that's it for this. I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.